Okay, here's the plan. We got a chain hooked to a strap right here, and we're gonna hook this chain to the truck. And on the other end over here, we have a tire wrapped around this rope, and we're gonna try to pull it through this gutter and see if it will clean some of this gutter out. It beat the tire up a little bit, but it pulled out this big old turd. Man, it's going, huh? We're through. That's good, man. It's actually working. Okay, here we go again on the next pipe.
Don't be scared to get on it. One more time.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, the truck kind of tore the grass up a little bit, but once we got out of the grass, it worked. So on to the next one. Okay, here we go again. We're about to go in this one. Starting to get so much stuff up in it.
Keep going. Whoa. Might as well go now, you in.
Hey, look at that. Man, that sucker's doing a good job cleaning those out. Next, move this. Won't reach. Pull forward. Now we're gonna pull forward a little bit and hook it up. Girl, don't you dare go nowhere. That good? All right. All right. Here we go. Hey, could you just in case this rope breaks or something? I'm trying to pull this tire. I'm cleaning these gutters out, you know, where they drain. But could you like move like maybe like right there for just a minute till we do this one? Just in case, you know, the rope breaks. Right, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Alright, so she's gonna move out of our way just for safety.
Yeah. Keep going. It ain't made it through yet. Almost. One more time. Man, I'm just telling you, it ain't through yet. Almost. One more. Keep going. Damn, it ripped our tire. Might as well go now, you're in the hole. You're in the hole. Making progress. Very little, but it's moving. It's moving. Oh! Fuck!
We took a motorcycle tire, folded the motorcycle tire down, hooked the chain around it, and now we're finna pull the chain through. It's kind of a bigger pipe, so hopefully this motorcycle tire will work. So
Don't put me on YouTube.
it's too late. Y'all on YouTube. YouTube live. Run, run. Y'all on YouTube. Run, run. You are almost there. I mean, it's, you might be able to stab a pole through it now where you can get a chain through it. I'm gonna check down here. Uh-oh, I hear it. There it goes. All right. I mean, we got some progress for sure.
Coming out?
Yep. We definitely have some progress. I mean, that sucker, don't cut yourself on that metal now.
Yeah, there it went.
Went through?
I think so.
Oh man, nice one. Yeah, and that's where the tire comes in handy. It just pulls the whole thing out, you know. Here we are putting little holes through the mud.
No, we're through now.
All the way?
Yeah.
All right, I guess it's just a wrench job now then.
Yeah.
Once you start seeing it make metal go to the side. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got the culvert cleaning pole is stuck inside the middle there, the hand one, and then we got the tire hooked up down here with the chain on it. We got the chain run all the way through. We're going to try to pull the tire all the way through, and it's hopefully going to pull the culvert cleaning tool out with the tire and the mud and everything else behind it. If it don't, it's just going to make it even worse because the culvert cleaning tool is going to be stuck. So we'll see what happens.
You're going.
Completely filled your boot.
What?
I forget what they call that, but yeah.
Hey, put those rocks down.
Here we go again. I'm gonna try this one now. You think that one's not cleared all the way? So, repeat for the process. Chain to the tire. Then we get the tire to go through the culvert here, pull it out from the other side. So we got quite a few of the culverts done in the trailer park, but there's still so much more to get done in here. I'll probably be working on these culverts for the next couple of weeks, and then we'll get a backhoe out here and make some of the ditches fall where the water drains in the right direction. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.